Amazing transport vehicle, Rivian A16. A handful of the latest innovative pickup trucks hit Yank's roads in 2021. However, few will vie with the electrical Rivian R1T truck. Originating in Town, Michigan, the Rivian Motorcar Company releases a car that brings artistic movement, luxury, and performance that several have, however, to ascertain. Truck enthusiasts who measure buying their next upgrade might want to attend for 2021 unharness of the Rivian R1T electric truck due to its offers a fantastic combination of power, class, and advanced skillfulness that's ever changing the method we tend to move on and off the road. However, is it that the Rivian A16 the longer term for each truck and electrical vehicle lover? The Rivian R1T offers drivers a trendy truck with its stadium-shaped headlights that square measure bright white across the brave front. With a digital dashboard with an oversized touchscreen that connects you to your transmission and smartphone wants, there's a touch of sophistication inside the truck's leather-trimmed interior and spacious cabin. What makes this truck distinctive is that the cupboard space with a front trunk or frunk, yet as a rear bin storage or gear tunnel, could be a lockable 12 cubic foot of apparatus house inside the truck body. Plus, the inexperienced charged lightweight indicator across the hood could be slick thanks to letting drivers grasp once the vehicle is prepared to hit the road. There are no complete data on what property interfaces are going to be out there for the R1T. Still, by the inside style appearance, it'll be higher than par compared to gas-driven trucks for 2021.
If you want to know more details about this vehicle, please go to the designer's profile linked in the description below. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch more concept vehicles in the future.